चिल्ड्रन आज हम ये क्वेश्चन करेंगे जिसमें फंक्शन दिया है q से q पर मैप करता हुआ। q एक रैशनल नंबर का सेट है और दूसरे रैशनल नंबर के सेट पर मैपिंग हो रही है एंड फंक्शन इज गिवन बाय दिस डेफिनेशन function x equals to 2x minus 3 and you have to prove that this function is a 1 function. So here we have to prove this function is a 1 function. Now what is the working to prove a function to be a 1 function? We will see all the rules here. Before this, once again let us revise what is a 1 function. We are coming on this example. Suppose we are having this domain and this as codomain. So we can see here this 5 is mapping to 2 and this 7 is mapping to 3. So you see when 5 and 7 are different elements, then their images are also different in codomain. But if here the elements are same, then their images are also same. So these are the two conditions for a function to be a 1 function. If entries in domain are distinct, then their images in codomain are also distinct. And if entries are same in domain, then only their images in codomain are also equal. If we want to see this in general, then in general we can see like here, this is domain and it is having two entries x and y. X is having its image fx and y is having its image as fy. So if x and y are different, then their images should also be different. But if x and y are same, then their images are also same. But if x and y are different, then only their images are also different. So these are the two rules according to which we can say any function to be a 1 function. So we are just using this condition to prove this function as a 1 function. How can we use that? Let us see here. Suppose x and y are any two arbitrary elements of domain Q. हमने सपोज कर लिया कि x और y डोमेन के कोई दो आर्बिट्रेरी एलिमेंट्स हैं और जिनके लिए इमेजेस की वैल्यू सेम है. इट मीन्स fx इज इक्वल्स टू fy. यानी अगर हम x के लिए इमेज बनाते हैं फंक्शन से और y के लिए इमेज बनाते हैं फंक्शन से, देन दोनों वैल्यूज सेम हैं. तो अगर हम fx की वैल्यू इस डेफिनेशन से निकालते हैं, सो व्हाट विल बी fx? दैट विल बी 2x minus 3. And what will be fy? On place of x, simply y will be there. Now minus 3 will get cancelled. I'll be remaining with this. Now 2 again will get cancelled and I'm remaining with this for all xy belonging to Q. यानी जब images same थे तो entries भी same आ गए. It means if two images for elements x and y are equal, then the elements are also equal. And if images are distinct, then elements are also distinct. So elements are same, then their images in codomain are also same. So we can say that this function is a 1 function. क्योंकि हमने इमेजेस सेम लिए और लेटर ऑन जाकर एलिमेंट्स भी सेम आ गए, तो हम कह सकते हैं सो वी कैन से दैट दिस फंक्शन इज अ 1 function. So this is the working, and this way we can prove any function as 1 function. If these conditions are fulfilled, then we can find out a function to be a 1 function. So children, next we'll do in next session. Today you have to prepare this.